Regional airports run on the same complexity as major hubs, shared aircraft, tight gate turns, and stretched crews, but they don't have the predictive tools that big airports do. When one flight runs late, staff usually find out about the ripple effect only after it's already happened, once a gate is double booked or a connection is already missed. This is Cascade, an IOPS copilot that shows the ripple before it hits. We built it for the HTCJ Aviation Futures Innovation Challenge, drawing on real airport operations experience from a technology proposal we prepared for McAllen International Airport. So the scenario you're about to see reflects a real regional airport, not a made-up one. Here's the full dashboard. On the left, a live departure board styled after real split flap displays you'd see at the airport itself. On the right, an iCopilot that understands everything happening on that board, flight by flight, gate by gate. Every flight shows its gate, its scheduled time, and its live status, but the real value isn't the list, it's what happens when you click a flight. Cascade traces what that flight is actually connected to, not just its own schedule. Take flight A2214. It's delayed because its inbound aircraft is on a weather hold. Here's the part a static board would never show you. That same aircraft flies the 3:40 p.m. return flight, so the delay carries forward directly onto a completely different flight number, and that return is booked into gate A2 just 10 minutes ahead of another departure. So if the delay grows even a little, it becomes a gate conflict too. Cascade traces this entire chain automatically, so staff see the real risk, not just one flight's status in isolation. Staff can also just ask, in plain English, typing, "What should I worry about this afternoon?" Gets an answer grounded in the actual board in front of you, referencing the specific flight's tail numbers and dates at risk right now, not a generic aviation answer pulled from nowhere. The copilot can also draft passenger communications on demand, referencing the specific flight number and the specific delay reason, so staff spend less time writing and more time managing the actual operation during a busy day. Here's why this matters commercially. Regional and mid-size airports are exactly the kind of operators major ops vendors ignore. Their software is priced and built for large international hubs, not for airports the size of McAllen. Cascade is designed from the ground up to be affordable and purpose-built for exactly the airports that current enterprise tools were never built for. Next, we want to connect Cascade to real flight data feeds instead of simulated data, extend the dependency model to cover crew scheduling and maintenance windows, and bring the Cascade warning directly to gate agents in the field through mobile alerts, not just to the ops desk. This is Cascade. See the delay before it happens. Thank you.